iPhone 12 and above series screen installation process. First, you need to disconnect the battery before removing the screen. Then remove the screws on the photosensitive element. Apply a little alcohol to facilitate the removal of the photosensitive element. Be careful when removing the photosensitive element. Install the photosensitive element on the new screen. Remove the plastic film on the screen to avoid blocking heat dissipation. Install the screen and power on for testing. Touch is fine. Brightness is fine. After testing without any problems, we can start installing the screen. Remember to buckle the screen cable first, and then the battery cable. Attention! You cannot wear slippers during the whole process.